What can you do in just one day at Universal Studios Hollywood? Welcome back to Magical DNA. Sometimes Universal Studios Hollywood is considered the other park to visit when on a vacation in Southern California, and visitors may not budget enough time to really experience all that the park has to offer. Universal Studios may be small, but it has plenty to offer in terms of entertainment, and if you only plan to spend one day there, you'll need to budget your time wisely. Universal Studios Hollywood operates on shorter hours than Disneyland, and that means you have less time to get everything done. On many weekdays, the park is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on weekends, these hours only extend between 9 a.m. and about 6 or 7 p.m. depending on the day. This means that you have as little as 8 hours on a given day to do everything that you want to do, so you need to move quickly to see it all. Fortunately, Universal offers ticket upgrades to help you do just that. Early entry to Super Nintendo World is offered at Universal Studios as an add-on to your day ticket. You can get this for as little as $20 per ticket. We made a video on whether we think it's worthwhile to get this add-on, and we have that linked in the description below. This perk will get you into Super Nintendo World 1 hour before park opening, so if you manage to get to the gates and down to the lower lot early enough, you may see yourself saving time by getting on Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge before many other park guests. This will also give you a chance to experience Super Nintendo World with a lower crowd. If Nintendo is your top priority for visiting Universal Studios and you intend to get there early, then this might be for you. Be sure to check out our video on early entry for more details. Another way to maximize your time is with Universal Express, which you can add to your ticket for as little as $90. This will grant you one-time express lane access to each attraction or experience for the whole day. This means skipping long lines for The Secret Life of Pets, Jurassic World, and Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. It also means missing the experience of going through the lines, so you might miss out on storyline and visuals you won't get anywhere else. The last time we got Universal Express, we were able to ride pretty much everything, including the studio tour, in one day. However, we still missed Waterworld, Despicable Me Minion Mayhem, and the Simpsons ride that day. So be advised that even if you get Universal Express, you may wind up making sacrifices. If you want to go for a truly premium experience, you can get a VIP tour which pairs your group with a guide for the day. You'll enjoy unlimited express entry to attractions and shows alongside a dining experience, snacks, and the ability to walk the sets on the studio tour. We can't say much about this because we haven't experienced it, but this is for big spenders who really want the best Universal experience possible. Doing Universal Studios Hollywood in one day means you'll have to miss out on certain experiences, and dining opportunities are the first to go. If you only have 8 hours to spend in the park, you don't want to spend 2 of them eating, do you? This means that you'll have to miss out on Toadstool Cafe, which is a 90-minute dining ordeal. Did I say ordeal? I meant event! Yes, Toadstool Cafe has some really good hamburgers and a very cute atmosphere, but most of your time there is spent waiting in line to order and then again to be seated. We talk more about this in our Super Nintendo World early entry video. If you only have one day to spend at Universal, you'll be best off skipping Toadstool Cafe and eating at a quick service restaurant instead. If you're dying to get Super Mario themed foods, try the Power Up Cafe on the upper lot. Or, for a good meal, you can try one of our favorite places, the Three Broomsticks over in Hogsmeade on the upper lot. Just know that sitting and eating a meal there is going to take more time than getting a slice of pizza somewhere, so budget your time accordingly. If you want to snack throughout the day, a premium popcorn bucket can offer great value at Universal Studios Hollywood. You can get unlimited refills throughout the day with your receipt, and you can get those refills in a bag. We left the park with several bags of popcorn last time we visited, so if you're a popcorn fan, then you won't go hungry with a premium popcorn bucket. One way to help maximize your time while dining is to use the Universal Hollywood app. You'll be able to mobile order food where available, and that can help you plan your day a little bit better. You can also use the app to check out ride wait times. We like to do this while standing in line for a ride to get an idea of what to visit next. Then, we immediately check the app after the ride to confirm our plans. You can even use the app to set wait time alerts so you'll know when your favorite ride has a manageable wait. One thing you don't want to do is find yourself with a phone on low battery. That's why we carry an Anker PowerCore Plus portable charger like this one shown on the screen. We are able to charge both of our phones at once, allowing us to mobile order food, check wait times, and take photos and video, all without searching for an outlet or spending extra money on a charger in the park. Check out our affiliate links in the description for all of our recommended portable chargers to keep you going during your day at Universal Studios Hollywood. Only spending one day at Universal Studios without an express pass means that you'll have to choose which rides and shows to visit and which to skip. For many of you, this will come down to preference on which movies or intellectual properties you like best. For others, this may mean working your visit around which attractions your children want to visit. On the lower lot, we recommend Jurassic World, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, and Revenge of the Mummy. Transformers is also found on the lower lot, but it's not that special unless you really like the Transformers property. If you can get on it with a 10 or 15-minute wait, then you may as well go for it. But try to get on any of the rides we mentioned first before going on Transformers. You wouldn't want to pass a 20-minute wait for Jurassic World just to get on Transformers with a 10-minute wait. The upper lot is where you'll need to be choosier with your ride and show preferences. Two of the oldest attractions are on the upper lot, and those are the Studio Tour and Waterworld. Each of these are long experiences, with the Studio Tour taking about a full hour at least to wait in line, ride, and get back to the upper lot. It's a rewarding experience, however, and you won't find this at any other Universal Studios park. Waterworld is also found only here in Hollywood. It's a very fun special effects show using Hollywood actors. It's also time-consuming because you need to gather for this show early, wait for it to start, and then filter out of the theater afterward. Because we like theme park history and the classic experiences that you don't get as much anymore, we think these two attractions are worth trying. If we were to pick only one, we would pick the Studio Tour, but either one is going to be a good choice if you're after a classic attraction. If you're not interested in either of these classic attractions, then you might be able to ride everything on the upper lot. If you decide to partake of either the Studio Tour or Waterworld, then you'll need to decide on which rides to prioritize. We think that The Secret Life of Pets, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, and Despicable Me Minion Mayhem should be close to the top of your list. Admittedly, Despicable Me Minion Mayhem isn't the greatest ride, but the air conditioning in there is supreme, and the ride is pretty fun overall. We would deprioritize the Simpsons ride because it makes us both feel sick, but your experience may vary. Kung Fu Panda and Flight of the Hippogriff are both alright experiences, but not something you'd rave about to your friends. And the last ride on the upper lot is Silly Swirly, which is just a spinner ride in Super Silly Funland. Unless your kids beg, you can skip this one. Lots of fun characters will be out and about during your visit, so if there's a certain one you want to meet, make sure you budget time for it. Mario, Luigi, Peach, and Toad will be available in Super Nintendo World, and they have daily scheduled times. As for other characters such as Poppy, Homer, or classic movie monsters, you'll find them around the upper lot. One character experience we've really liked in the past is the Raptor Encounter, which gets you up close with a raptor in Jurassic World. It's a fun photo opportunity and worth doing. But if you intend to hit all the rides without an express pass, you may have to sacrifice character encounters to do it. Those are our top picks for how to spend just one day at Universal Hollywood. If you haven't visited before, then it may be difficult to decide which attractions and experiences to miss. Our policy is to prioritize the exclusive attractions, such as the Studio Tour, and those you are most interested in experiencing. Avoiding long dining experiences is a must when trying to jam-pack your day with fun, and if you need a break, try to sit down and watch a show or take the Studio Tour, where you'll get to sit down for about 45 minutes. Plus, it really is a great tour. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching Magical DNA.